Hi, hello, this is Babu again, and today I'll talk about this technical book one, which is the PHP one from O'Reilly, and it was written by Lerdoff and three other authors, and he is the inventor of PHP. PHP stands for Personal Home Page Maker or Hypertext Preprocessor, and this book covers in depth of the PHP. You can create an web page, and then you can tie up with the database and do all kinds of job with the front end and back end applications. And this is a very nice programming language. Now it's slowly coming up in the market. So I thought of discussing about this book. The book is a nice one. I learned basics from the 12th standard, and I improved on it here. I improved on it with this book. And if you go to the internals, it covers in-depth coverage of arrays, objects, and strings, and then the general things, general introductions. And this one is important. The one thing I have to tell you is database connectivity with MySQL. You can connect it to Tomcat Apache server also using PHP. Okay, but whereas in HTML, which I'm going to come in the next part, continue the next part, it will not be connected to a DB. Okay, so this as of this PHP, you can connect it to a database, and you can use as a client server architecture. You can program it in both ways, from the front end side and the back end side. You can develop a whole sort of web application using PHP language. So yeah, it is an improved form of HTML also, you can say. Improved form of HTML, and there are other languages also like DXML and DHTML and all. But if you compare those strings, PHP is a little more easier and easy to understand. So I can recommend this book, PHP from O'Reilly publication by Lerdoff. Okay. So the next thing I am showing you is this one. This one I can't understand itself. It's very difficult. I know the basics and only, that's all, and just the basics of HTML, just to create a web page, and how to create a link from one page to another page, and how to create a small form. That's all I can understand. But this book deals in depth of HTML, which I have not completed it, but I can recommend this also for front end developers. This one is also a nice book from O'Reilly. It's very tough to understand. I did not understand many concepts in this book. There are many concepts which are very difficult, like video on the web, and then video on the web. And see here, the past, present, future, local storage of web applications, and distribute extensively other fancy words and form of madness. These are all very toughly dealt in this book. It's very hard to understand, and I don't get it. I don't get it get a clear picture of this one as of now. Just reading it, and but I can recommend this also. It's from Mo Really. Okay. We'll catch up in the next video, and these two books I have to recommend from Mo Really. And that's it for now. Hope best thing happens. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you.